In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop Roblox crashing. So whenever you're using the Roblox, if it is crashing or freezing, there might be various reasons behind it. In order to solve it, the first thing that you can do is simply uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. This might solve your problem. So in that case, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now simply type in remove app. Now you'll be able to find this option for add or remove programs. Click on this option, open. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to remove the apps and features. What you have to do is click on the search bar. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in Roblox. Now you'll be able to find the Roblox application over here. Click on it. Now click on this option, uninstall, that you can see on the screen. Repeat this for all the versions. Now after you do that, you can download the Roblox application from the Microsoft Store. For that, simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for Microsoft Store. Click on this option, open. Now after you do that, Microsoft Store will be opened. Now from here, you'll be able to reinstall the Roblox application. Simply click on the search bar and type in Roblox. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is simply find this application for Roblox and click on it. Now what you have to do is simply go ahead and install this application. After you do that, Roblox might stop crashing. If this does not solve your problem, there might be some problem with the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try removing the temporary files of your device. For that, what you have to do is open the run. What you have to do is click on the search icon and type in run. Now you'll be able to find the option for run over here. Click on the option open. Now over here, what you have to do is type in %temp %. Now click on the option OK. Now you'll be able to see all the temp files over here. What you have to do is simply delete all of this. Simply select all of the temporary files. After you do that, you can click on this option delete that you can see on the screen, or you can also hit the delete button on your keyboard. Now simply wait for a while and all of these temporary files will be deleted. Now after you do that, Roblox should stop crashing. Now if this also does not solve your problem, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the temporary glitches. In that case, what you have to do is click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is simply click on this power icon. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, all the applications will be closed and the PC will be turned off and turned on again. Now what you have to do is simply open the Roblox and start using it. Now your problem should be fixed. So that is how you stop Roblox crashing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.